Skywalker tossed a lightsaber. We're gonna have to have this really cringy scene of him.
So definitely no hate to the original poster. This is a take that I see off. Namely that The Rise of Skywalker tries to erase everything that happened in The Last Jedi. Now, if you follow me, you know I'm not a fan of Rise of Skywalker, but I'm not going to let not liking it affect my ability to comprehend, understand, or fairly critique it. For instance, Luke catching the lightsaber saying a Jedi's weapon deserves more respect in Rise of Skywalker is not a retcon from The Last Jedi. It actually enforces it. It feels like a lot of people forget that Luke being a hermit is a plot thread from The Force Awakens, and it gets resolved in this film. He has a story arc. He has a whole conversation with Yoda. Like, this is literally his story arc. The Skywalker lightsaber being fixed also isn't a retcon. The movie's about accepting failure and rebuilding from there. When Leia puts her hand on the broken lightsaber and says, "We have everything we need," I knew at that point the lightsaber was coming back. You mentioned the symbolism in its destruction. Well, then I'm sure you also understood its symbolism in The Force Awakens, through The Last Jedi, and The Rise of Skywalker, because it means the same thing throughout all three films. Once again, there are a lot of issues in the film. I'm not saying there's not. And it's so unfortunate that Kelly Marie Tran was replaced by a giant slug. All I'm saying is I notice a lot of items in this type of discussion stem from either a misinterpretation of something in the past or a headcanon that does not come to fruition.